Hello students, so moving on to the welcome back to ADP classes. Moving on to the next topic. So directories and structuring data. Earlier we have discussed about the list as well as the tuple, right? List using square bracket. We are declaring list using square bracket, then tuple using uh, parenthesis. So difference between list and tuple we have seen earlier in the previous videos and all. Now next is about dictionaries and structuring data. So what is dictionary? So dictionary data type, dictionary is mentioned inside flower bracket. Okay, typed inside braces or flower bracket. So my cat is a dictionary. How you can identify? So identification is very simple. If you use square bracket, it is a list. If you use parenthesis, it will be considered as tuple. Where list is mutable, tuple is immutable. Please remember. Now directory is marked inside braces or flower brackets. Okay. So entity and attribute thing, you can see size is fat, color gray, and disposition loud. So this assigns a directory to my cat variable. This directory's key size, the directory's key size, color, and disposition are called as key and values. Okay, key and values. Two things it contains. One is key, left hand side, right hand side is the value. So key size, color, and disposition are considered as key. Fat, gray, and loud are considered as the. So these are the attributes normally called as values. Okay, you can access these values through the keys. So values can be accessed with the help of the key. If you access the key, value will be accessed. That's it. So my cat of size, if you access, then what will happen? It's so using key, you are accessing its value. Size is fat will be right accessed. So even you can use the integer value as a key as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the integer value used as a key, and its value is a luggage combination. 42 is the key, its value is the answer. What is the difference? What are the differences between dictionary and list? So unlike list, items in dictionaries are unordered. Please remember, list, whereas items are ordered. In case of dictionary, items are unordered. The first item in the list named spam would be spam of 0, you are aware of, since it is similar to array. So the first element indexing starts with 0, but there is no first item in the dictionary. While the order of the item matters for determining whether two lists are same, it does not matter in what order the key value pair are typed in the dictionary. So here a list is mentioned: cat, dog, and moose are called as spam. Beacon is dogs, moose, and cats. So whether spam is beacon, you are comparing, both are same? Obviously not, right? Because order matters. For list, order matters. So list spam of 0 is not equal to beacon of 0. They are different, right? So answer will be false only. But in case of directory, you can see the difference. So name is Zophie, species is cat, age is 8, but whatever the order it is, this directory is assigned to eggs. So then we have ham, which contains a species as cat, age as 8, name as Zophie. The same value, if you consider the key value pair, the key value pair which are present at first directory named eggs is the same as that of key value pair present in the second directory ham, but ordering is different. Ordering does not matter here in case of directory. So if you go for comparison eggs is, whether eggs is exactly equal to ham, result would be true only. Okay, please remember that. That is what one of the major difference between list and directory.